Most people believe in extraterrestrials.
The government did not stop studying UFOs.
What are they afraid of?
I think they're afraid of weaponization. They admitted there are unknown aerial objects with advanced technology. We're in a different world. I'm very optimistic, and y'all don't even know that.
Hey, look, and we don't even know that. They put it in your mind. That's predictive programming. So why they programming a human computer? They trying to lock us up in our cells. That's why they put you in the fucking cell to physically manipulate your cell and your structure. Hey, so look at my structure, cause without an effort, then you can never have a structure. You ain't get the message cause you sour just like mustard or some ketchup. You need the tomato and ketchup. A boom bap beat to let you know this another Joe is radio on a different boat. And I keep hearing horns. That's a C sound. I said I bought just like I'm profound. And I don't even need a pronoun, cause I'm a pronoun. I say I go just like I'm profound. What a complex, apartments complex just like that. They don't know the words of the bombs get back. Every time I look up in the sky, I see another helicopter. They just wait for the days to lock us up and put us in the days. That's just like now, yeah. That's why we in the days. That's why the days is getting shorter. Look, shorter every day. Look, every day is just a new day for your mental. Everybody raise the fuck up and go mental, a loco. And I ain't talking about no cocoa, cause you not cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. It's just another radio. Like radio, just say it 2 more times. Yeah, like radio. Yeah, like radio. Look, synonym stereo. Look, they sending vibrations through my mind, trying to tell me that everything is fine.
Video. I want to talk about art is a weapon. Yes, art is a weapon. So, art, right? We define art as emotional expression of desire. Art is that feeling you get when you just have like this constant vision of not only becoming a better person, but bettering the lives of the people that's around you. You see what I mean? See, art is a weapon because art is that emotional expression. Now, if you aim that emotional expression, meaning if you aim and navigate that energy towards the right things, then art can most definitely be an efficient weapon. Art is a language. Like, artists can recognize another artist. Not even just, like, for example, you could be a musical artist, you could be a painter artist, you could be a drawer type artist. You could be like a model or an author, anything that just expresses that emotional, that emotional expression, that feeling, that can be used as a weapon. Now, what do I mean by that? Artists, like I said, you could be any type of artist, are of a certain bloodline. See, it's a war going on right now, and these draconian reptilian insects, they don't have that soul, that pineal gland to create. They're not artists. So they have to destroy nature. They have to go against nature. Everything they do, they have to, like, just go against nature. It's like blasphemy towards nature. And like for example, they take nature and they manipulate it and they turn it into a pill, which is they call it pharmaceutical, and you can go look up, see the energy, yeah, you see the energy, yeah, but you can go look it up in you can go look it up in a dictionary, pharmacy, the root word of pharmica is sorcery. So pharmaceutical drugs are sorcery. You're putting sorcery on yourself. You see what I mean? That's why they wanted to make cannabis medical, so you could be so-called prescribed. You have to go to a so-called pharmacy, which they call a dispensary, because they're trying to cast spells on you through the cannabis. Pharmacy, the root word pharmica, means sorcery. Go look it up. So this beast, these reptilian insects, see the energy, but these insects, they can't create. They have to go against creation. That's the whole point of balance. Like artists, people who express art, that emotional expression, just that passionate energy or that negative energy, they turn it into art. They turn it into a language that other artists can understand. The beast, these reptilians, they don't understand it. They hate it, so they destroy it. Artists are of a certain bloodline, which represents the positive spectrum. And these demons, they represent the negative spectrum. That's the whole point of duality and balance. So these things have to exist in order for it to be balanced. But any artist out there, your art is a weapon. Whether they try to say it's a different type of art or it's surrealism or it's too basic, that's art. It's art. Your hair, see how my hair? That's art. You see what I mean? Like everybody that's walking around, some people don't even think they artists, but they are. They haven't tapped into that bloodline energy. But these demonic entities, they hate art. They hate it. You can tell if somebody is an artist or of the artist bloodline, aka of the angelic bloodline, right? Angels are angelic. Not angels, I'm tweaking. Artists are angelic. And these demons hate it. Like you ever see somebody, you go to a gallery or art museum or whatever the case may be, and somebody be like, I hate art or I hate this place. That is a demon. But if a person, you go to an art gallery, people just fall in love with the artwork that's around, they just admire the artwork, they are of the angelic bloodline. They either know that or they don't. They haven't tapped into it, which means they of the artist bloodline. And yeah, that's the whole battle. That's what's going on right now. That's what people don't understand. Real shit. That's exactly what's going on right now. Like the world is being destroyed, and a lot of people are using their artistic power, to counteract what this beast is doing, such as myself and other people out there. They're using their artistic energy. Because art is a weapon. Like, for example, you can draw a painting, or anybody not draw a painting. You can paint a painting or draw a mural, anything, right? This is an example, and you can save somebody's life with that painting. Real talk. You can save somebody's life. Like, how people always say, I love your music. Like, they'll tell their favorite artist or one of their favorite artists, I love your music. It saved my life. That's art. That's a form of expression. That's a form of emotional expression. That's artwork. It's just, we call it music. It's in subcategories. Art is in subcategories. Music, painting, art, pottery. Just different shit. Clay making. There's a whole bunch of different shit. Photography, all type of stuff, man. So so it's like people, like for example, lost my train of thought. But like I was saying, art is like subdivisions in different categories, and it don't matter what kind of artist you is. Like, for example, like drawing a picture or painting a piece of artwork can save somebody's life because they like, wow, somebody is expressing, or you speaking a language to them. It's like a spiritual language, but it manifests on a physical level as artwork. You see what I mean? So it's like you might save somebody's life one day, and somebody could be suicidal or something, or even homicidal, and like, you see the artwork and be like, damn, that expresses exactly how I feel. So somebody else out here in the world understands where I'm coming from, and they might break down in tears of joy or relief that they're not the only person. Because, you know, like even at a young age, you know, I felt like I was the only person that thought like the way that I thought, and that I was like alone. But I don't know, I was young at the time, so it's just like I can understand where people are coming from, but these are the things that's going on, and it's a war that's going on. As you can clearly see, I think a lot of people are clearly seeing it now, that it's a war going on. It's a spiritual war. It has manifested physically. So you can use your art for good or bad, but remember, art is a weapon. It's a language, and when you make a track, like a song, or you paint a painting, you draw a drawing, you take a picture of something, of an amazing moment, and you walking through the woods, or just walking through nature, or the sun shining a certain way, or, you know, like you making pottery, sewing, or just anything. Remember, that is a language, and you're speaking to somebody around the world. You're touching somebody's soul. So you're using that to wake people up, whether you know it or not. So it's an energy that you must tap into. It's the divine essence, divine language. But it manifests as art. Spiritual language is spiritual language, and that spiritual language manifests in a physical form as art, or what we know as art. Wake the damn up. More videos coming soon.